magical garden, kids skip to the beat. It's for bear in the rainbow forest so bright, playing with kids, what a joyful sight. C is for car, with happy eyes so fun, racing on rain roads under the sun. D is for dog, in the backyard it plays, chasing the butterflies with sunny rays. E is for elephant, in jungle so green, playing with kids, such a happy scene. S for fox, clever and sly, in the magical forest it hops and runs by. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand, stretching its neck in the sunny land. H for hippo, in the river so wide, splashing with kids, laughing beside. I is for ice cream, a tasty delight, in this for ice cream, a tasty delight, in the sunny park, such a colorful sight. J is for jellyfish glowing in the sea, swimming with kids, full of glee. K is for kangaroo hopping around, everybody lie in the jungle's proud king. Hide and seek with kids, hear them sing. A for apple, इतना लाल और मीठा, जादू भरी गार्डन में बचाए नचते रही था। डॉग बैकयार्ड में खेलता है यार, बटरफ्लाइज के पीछे था सूरज की रोशनी के साथ। For elephant, जंगल में सब कुछ ग्रीन, बच्चों के साथ खेलता क्या हैप्पी सीन। F for fox, चलक और स्मार्ट, जादू भरी जंगल में खेलता हर पार। G for giraffe, लंबा और ग्रैंड, सूरज वही जमीन पर नेक स्ट्रेचता स्टैंड। H for he, वाली जमीन पर नेक स्ट्रेच करता स्टैंड। H for hippo, दरिया में इतना वाइड, जो के साथ पानी स्प्लैश करता हंस के साइड। I for ice cream, a tasty delight, sunny park में चाय खाते colorful sight। L for jellyfish, समुद्र में glow करे, for jellyfish a tasty में glow करे, बच्चों के साथ swim करे, खुशी से भरेगे। For kangaroo, इधर उधर hop करे, somebody call this bucket to lake। Next for parents, my company, L for lion, jungle का proud king, बच्चों के hide and seek, सुनो उनका sing। N's for monkey, swinging from tree to tree. S for narwhal, in the underwater blue. S for owl, wise, sliding on ice. Q is for queen bee.